Hi, my name is Jerry Covers. I'm here to give a tutorial, mga basic chords lang in order for you to get started with your guitar journey. Okay? So basically, kapag nandito kayo sa gitara ninyo, you have 6 strings, you have different frets. So ang strings natin are 6. Nag-start siya sa first string, which is sa pinakababa. Tapos second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So first off, I'm going to teach you the principle of daga. Daga means the chords D, A, G, A. So in other words, D, A, G, A. Kaya ako pinili itong chord combinations na to is because madali siyang tandaan and at the same time magkakalapit sila. Plus, makakapag-practice ka ng change or finger placement mo sa gitara. Okay? Doon tayo sa ating first chord na letter D. So, first finger, which is your index finger, ipunta mo siya sa second fret, and third string. Third string. The next is second finger, which is your middle finger natin. It's second fret din siya, but the first string naman siya. So, ito siya. And lastly, our ring finger, our last finger, is the third fret siya, which is the second, sa second string siya. So, ang itsura niya is ito, at saka ito. This is the chord D. The next is our letter A, which is yung pinakamadali sa lahat. Kasi ang letter A is magkakatabi lang sila. First finger, fourth string, second finger, third string, and the last finger is dito, or yung third, yung ring finger natin is sa second string. Ito ang letter A. So next is ang letter G. First finger, fifth string, second fret. Second, yung next na finger is third fret, last string. And lastly, ang first string, third fret, ang last finger natin. So, this is letter G. So, review natin. So, finally, once na nakuha mo na yung basics ng chords na yun, ng tatlong chords na yun, you can now proceed with yung finger placements or changing ng fingers natin, which is dun na papasok yung word na daga. Okay? So, si D, A, G, A. Yung strumming mo is downward. Downward lang siya. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo para ma-practice mo to, you need to strum downward 4 times bago ka magpalit ng chord. Start muna tayo sa D, which is ito. 4 na strum bago magpunta sa letter A. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. It is another cycle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Ayos ba? I'm going to be posting another tutorial vid in the future if meron mag-request. But for now, ito munang maituturo ko sa inyo, which is daga. Okay? This is Jerry Covers. Peace out.